FaceFlex is a Blender add-on. It's a toolkit for creating and testing facial blend shapes. To get started, temporarily rig your face model. This will make posing the blend shapes much easier. You can use the included PDF reference guide for accuracy. Using the rig, pose the model according to the ARKit expressions and add a keyframe for each pose on the timeline. Once all your poses are keyframed, duplicate the model and remove its armature. In the FaceFlex panel, put the rigged model in the source slot and the non-rigged duplicate in the target slot. Now click the ARKit button. All your blend shapes will be generated and correctly named on the target model. If you need to add further details, simply select a shape key, set its value to 1, and then use Sculpt mode or Edit mode to make your adjustments. When you are done, you can check if the shape keys are working correctly. Select your model and click the Animate button. This will generate a test animation for you. Now, if you want to load CSV animation data exported from apps like LiveLink Face, the process is simple. Select your model with the finished blend shapes. In the Link CSV panel, click the plus button and select your CSV file. You can then name the new action and finally click Load CSV Animation. And your animation data will be linked and working in real time. Thanks for watching.